today is a new lesson about MS Excel shortcut keys. And in this new video lesson, I will teach you how to open a home tab with the help of shortcut keys, keyboard keys. Because normally when we open the tab, we simply click the left button of the mouse to select or open that tab. In this video, I will teach you how to open the tab with the help of keyboard keys. कि आप ने किस तरह जो है ना कीबोर्ड की मदद से टैब को कैसे ओपन करना है माउस की मदद लिए बगैर, विदाउट द हेल्प ऑफ माउस। आपने सिंपली Alt प्लस H की प्रेस कर देनी कीबोर्ड से, तो आपका होम टैब सेलेक्ट हो जाएगा। You'll have to simply press Alt plus H key from the keyboard and the home tab will be selected. Let me zoom it for you. तो यहाँ पर देख रहे हैं, you're watching in home tab. First is clipboard, and here in the clipboard you can copy, cut, paste your text X, C and V. And next you have the font size of the text: bold, italicize, underline, and fill color, font size, change the font size and font size of the text, and increase the font size and decrease the font size. You can decrease the font size here. So these are options are about fonts of the text. Next one is alignment: top alignment, middle alignment and bottom alignment. This cell is about the alignment of the text. Align the text to the left, to the center, and align the text to the right, and decrease the indent, merge in the center. So these are this cells about alignment of the text. And the next, here you can wrap up the text, merge the text. And the next cell is about the numbers format and general, accounting number format. And then we have percent style, column style, increase decimals, decrease decimals. So next cell is about, so here this cell is about the styles. And next sixth one is about the cells. Insert a cell I, and then insert a cell I, and delete cells D, format cells O. These cells about setting. And the next one is some auto sum U, and then fill continue pattern into 1, and then clear, delete everything from the cell E. And next one is a sort filter, arrange data so that it is easier to be analyzed. And the last one is find and select the specific text. So these are the shortcut keys about MX Excel home tab. Whenever you open a home tab, what are the other functions are available when you open a home tab? कि जब आप home tab आप open करते हैं तो कौन कौन से functions उसमें available होते हैं आपके काम करने के लिए? तो उसमें clipboard है, font styles है, alignments है, numbers हैं, cells हैं, editing है, formatting है text की। तो इस तरह आसानी से अपना काम जो है हम एक्सेल में कंप्लीट करते हैं। थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग। डू वॉच, लाइक एंड सब्सक्राइब।